Hello everyone, when it comes to heat-resistant tubes, what technique comes to your mind? In this short video, we would like to introduce you the heat-resistant tubes produced by Centrifugal casting technique at LAWAI in Taiwan. We believe whom is watching the video that has the needs of the heat-resistant tubes that should be one-piece construction, not be formed by sheets with welding construction. And we, LAWAI, will make you satisfied. Centrifugal casting is the most cost-effective method to produce one-piece constructed heat-resistant tubes. ASTM A297 heat-resistant tubes and nickel-based tubes for high-temperature environment are what we produce often. The surface condition that is as cast is quite normal of heat-resistant tubes. Based on different applications, of course we could supply pre-machined heat-resistant tubes to customers, too. For us, centrifugal casting is the technique that is with the incredible flexibility. No matter your project is at the stage of trial or mass production, centrifugal casting could make both. I know this short introduction is not enough and you still want to know more about LAWAI's custom heat-resistant tubes. Please email us or fill in the inquiry form. LAWAI team will reply to you soon.